Hi, I'm Bailey Hager, and this is Shield Walker, and this is our July showcase. Um, so for this month, our team is validating core concepts across our intro level, our level 1 and level 2, while preparing the levels for internal QA. And we're continuing our art asset production, completing key programming features like our Shield UI and our Save Load system. We're refining the level 3 narrative and integrating our art into levels for playtesting readiness and pausing on. We have a pause on audio work until Gene gets back in mid-August. So our milestone one would be intro level feature complete. We are partially done with that. We are projected to finish before end of week. Level 1 feature complete was our milestone 2. We are projected to finish before end of week there too. Level 2, we are partial. That should be by next showcase, hopefully. And then milestone 4, updated character animations and shield models are ready and implemented. Those are all ready in game. Technical issues, we're delaying level design. So estimated internal QA date around for level 1 and 2 change from July 13th to July 26th, end of the month. It's been resolved. It's minor impact. Needing shield system refactor. That same thing as the delay in level design for the level for the QA date for it. It's been resolved, minor impact on timeline because of our pre-planned buffer. We are missing a UI designer. We have no impact right now on that. We not a requirement for our quality of life, our QA quality assurance stuff right now. But we do need to have it implemented and tested by the time for our public demo by October in Next Fest. We are hopefully should have one by the 23rd of August. We are actively looking for one. Our sound designer graduated. Not a huge impact right now, but he is coming back mid-August, like I said. Our build showcase, obviously, this is going to show off our level 1 gameplay, intro level, level 2, level 3, the in-game shield mesh switching, and our new player character updated animations. We're going to speed up a little bit. Let's go through this because that shows off all of that. And this should be the intro level, just a fly through of it. So, of where we were currently, still being worked on at this moment. and then we're just going through a little bit of a just fly through of it. I didn't want to play through all of it because I didn't want to take a lot of time for the video for the rest of the showcase. And then just a little bit of the layout of level 2 so far, where we're at with there, just a little bit of the layout of it. And then a little bit of that's it. Obviously, this proves milestone 1, 2, and 3, and then milestone 4 in the video. Changes since last month's our new character animations and our shield models, and then progression on level 1, progression on level 2, and then progression on the intro level. Like I said earlier, level 1 and the intro should be feature complete by the end of the week. So our intern and our shadow highlight, we're highlighting Corey, Simone, and Jared. Corey has spent the month working on the systems overhaul for the full shield refactor, and redesigning the grapple shield with the shield manager, and multiple fixes across the and a lot of bug fixes. Simone has been working on the intro level and level 2 and level 3, and Jared has been helping with the Steam playtest page. He did, as you saw in the mechanic test level in the beginning of the video, the swinging axe. He did those. He's been working on some extra level mechanics to add in, like hazards, and stuff like an elevator, and then mostly the Steam page. I've only added a little bit of Corey's work. I didn't add the full refactor. There's a lot there. I only did the glide and the grapple, a little bit of the grapple and a little bit of the glide, and his plan. So like this was his plan for the full rebuild, refactor. A little bit of the grapple shield, and here's a little bit of the glide shield. Not the full glide shield and not the full grapple, just a little bit of the code. Here is pictures of the intro level minus what I flew through and showed in the showcase video part of the level, and then the level 2 picture of it's a little bit of the overview of level 2, and then a little bit of level 3. This is a little bit of the work that Jared has done. He's got us a website set up with some placeholder images for right now. He's got us, like I said, he's got the store page with some placeholder images at the moment, and he is currently working on getting us set up for our playtest release. Here's our production. Over the next 2 weeks, obviously, we're going to summer break after this. And the week when we get back from summer break, we're doing our internal playtesting and polishing sprints. And then next month we are implement our narrative stuff. We're going to, depending on the amount of iteration we're going to push our intro, level 1 and level 2 art to complete and demo ready, and then we're going to start working on level 3. And depending on the time that we need for that, we're going to go through internal and external playtesting. And then our release target, we are going to have 3 fully internal and externally playtested levels ready for public demo around mid-September, and we're going to have 6 to 8 levels fully tested, with a product complete story mid-November launch.